Here's the latest update of virtual wholesaling in 2023. We're going to talk about the trends and the patterns that we see happening in the marketplace, as well as our predictions for where the virtual wholesaling market is going into the future. Now, if we look at the past 3 years, from 2020 when COVID shut the world down until today, well, it's created a rapid increase in virtual wholesaling models, as well as the technology that's fueling it behind the scenes. Now, technology and virtual platforms are only going to continue to get better and better, smarter and smarter. For savvy real estate wholesalers, that actually gives us a leg up in the marketplace if we know which platforms to use and how to use them. Now, we talk about some of this stuff inside of our inner circle. We have a Discord group that's designated for real estate investors to help them get in the game and produce predictable results inside of their business. Now, big picture, again, wholesaling is not going away anytime soon. And technology is going to give us more abilities to locate off-market deals in any market across the United States. You need to make sure that you're versed in these technologies and you have the tools to locate these motivated sellers. There's a lot of these people out there that are just teaching one method, sourcing deals on Facebook or astro flipping. Guys, the market, now that we're in a recession, is shifting more and more, and you need to learn how to become the source of the deal. Becoming the source of a deal makes you the authority either in that market, but it also gives you a direct contact to the motivated seller that you're talking to, where you can purchase and lock up these contracts at deeper discounts, creating way higher profits for you to go ahead and maximize. Now, based on market research, the trends that we see going on, and for those of you that know who we are and have been following us for a while, you know that we work with some of the biggest hedge funds and institutions in the market. Over the past 3 years, we started day trading real estate to a lot of these Wall Street hedge funds. Why? Because they pay more for real estate. So we streamlined our process and created a platform where we would allow real estate investors to leverage us in order to help them move their deals and sell their contracts for higher prices. Based on what we're seeing in the current trends, well, now that the market has shifted and interest rates have gone up, a lot of the institutional money is getting pushed to the side. It doesn't mean they're out of the game, but we have billions and billions of dollars that's sitting there ready to be unleashed on all these real estate deals. Yes, the institutions are still buying, but they have gotten more conservative with their numbers. Now, our goal is to give you the tools to show you the strategies so that you can get in the virtual wholesaling game no matter where you're at in the process. We have a beginner group and a more advanced group giving you the tools to scale so you can produce predictability. Look forward to seeing you guys inside of our Discord. Click the link below.